Hello students, in last video we have already discussed about the molecular orbital theory, the formation of molecular orbital, the types of molecular orbital as well as conditions for the formation of molecular orbitals. This a molecular orbital theory is used to write an electronic configuration of a molecule. Instead of an atom, we can write an electronic configuration of a molecule with the help of this molecular orbital theory. This molecular orbital theory is also useful to explain the magnetic nature, that is a diamagnetic and paramagnetic nature of a molecule. This theory gives the number of bonds formed in a molecule as well as it explains the stability of a molecule. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the concept of electronic configuration of molecules, then the magnetic properties, bond angle and stability of a molecules. So first of all, the laws which are applicable for the electronic configuration of an element is Auger principle, then Hund's rule of a maximum multiplicity and a Pauli's exclusion principle. All these laws are applicable for a filling of electrons in the molecule also. With the help of or by applying this principle, we can write the electronic configuration of a molecule. Here, only Young plus Young rule is not applicable during the writing of the electronic configuration of a molecule. The energy order or the sequence of a molecular orbitals. Here, this principle gives us the sequence of energy order of atomic orbitals. The energy order of a molecular orbitals are the energy order for a filling of electrons in a molecular orbitals. The lowest energy of a molecular orbital is a sigma 1. A sigma means a bonding molecular orbitals. Then the sigma star 1 is anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Sigma 2s is less than a sigma star 2s. Here, these two orbitals are two molecular orbitals, pi 2px and pi 2py have the same energy. Pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, that is, they have the same energy. Then the energy of a sigma 2pz molecular orbital is greater than this. This sigma star 2px and sigma star 2py have the same energy, and a sigma star 2py have more energy. This is the energy sequence for a molecular orbital. With the help of this energy sequence, we can write the electronic configuration of a molecules. This sequence is applicable when the number of electrons is equal to or less than 40. The molecule having a number of electrons of 14 or less than 14, this energy sequence is applicable for filling of electrons in a molecular orbital. Now, we will discuss the formation of hydrogen molecule with the help of molecular orbital theory. Initially, the formation of hydrogen molecule is explained on the basis of a potential energy diagram, that is overlapping of atomic orbitals gives the formation of hydrogen molecule. As overlapping has a greater extent, a covalent bond form is a stronger one. Now, the formation of hydrogen molecules with the help of hydrogen molecules with the help of molecular orbital theory. MOT, molecular orbital theory. Hydrogen contain two hydrogen atoms. The atomic number of hydrogen is equal to 1 and hence its electronic configuration is equal to 1s1. That is, two hydrogen atoms are present in hydrogen molecules. This 1s1 atomic orbital of one hydrogen atom and 1s1 atomic orbital of another hydrogen atom combines together and form two molecular orbitals. The molecular orbitals are formed by either a combination of wave functions or wave properties of electron or a subtraction of wave properties of electron. Suppose the energy, this is 1s1 of one hydrogen atom and 1s1 of another hydrogen atom. These are the atomic orbitals. These atomic orbitals overlaps linearly to form a sigma molecular orbitals. When the overlapping takes place along internuclear axis, the formation of a sigma molecular orbital takes place. When these two atomic orbital combines by the addition of a summation of wave properties, a formation of bonding molecular orbital takes place. That is, this is the bonding molecular orbital. Due to a subtraction of these two wave properties of electron, a formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital takes place. Anti-bonding molecular orbital has more energy than this bonding molecular orbital. Okay? During overlapping, these two atomic orbitals mix together and an electron present in these atomic orbitals are shared in this bonding molecular orbital, while this anti-bonding molecular orbital is empty. Okay, a sigma 1s on this anti-bonding, a sigma star 1s. Hence, this molecular orbital theory explains a formation of this hydrogen molecule. This is a hydrogen molecule. The number of bonds or bond order is given by a formula. A number of electrons present in a bonding atomic orbital minus number of electrons which are present in anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2. Here, 2 electrons are present in bonding molecular orbital, and hence Nb is equal to 2. No electron is present in anti-bonding. 2 minus 0 divided by 2, that is 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. A bond order in hydrogen molecule is equal to 1. That is, there is only one covalent bond are present between 2 hydrogen atom. Bond order is equal to 1. Then bond stability or stability of molecules. The stability is directly proportional to a bond order. Hence, a bond is stronger. A magnetic property. The magnetic properties of the molecules depends upon the number of or presence of unpaired electrons. The presence of unpaired electrons in molecular orbitals decides the magnetic properties of a molecule. The magnetic property depends upon the number of unpaired electrons. When a molecular orbital has unpaired electrons, this molecule is a paramagnetic in nature. When this a molecular orbital has unpaired electron, these molecules are paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic means these molecules can attract towards applied a magnetic field. When there will be no unpaired electrons, then such molecules are diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic means they will repel in applied magnetic field. By applying these criteria, we can say that hydrogen is a diamagnetic in nature because it has a paired electron. Pair of electrons in a bonding molecular orbital. There is no unpaired electrons, and hence hydrogen is diamagnetic molecules. Okay. So with the help of molecular orbital theory, we can explain a formation as well as bond order, bond stability, a magnetic property. Then a last one, we can write the electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule. This is the electronic configuration of hydrogen atom. The electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule is a sigma 1s2. No single electrons is present in anti-bonding, hence no need to write a sigma star 1s2. Sigma 1s2 is the electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule. We therefore one more example we can again explain is molecular orbital theory. Helium, formation of helium, He2 molecules. The electronic configuration of helium is equal to 1s2. According to a molecular orbital theory, when 1s2 atomic orbital of one helium atom, this is the atomic orbitals of another helium atom, atomic orbitals of helium atom. These two atomic orbitals mix or combine together to form two molecular orbitals. One is a bonding molecular orbital and another is an anti-bonding molecular orbital. This bonding molecular orbital has lower energy than this anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay. During this overlapping, two electrons are present in a bonding molecular orbital, while two electrons are present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, a total 4 electrons are present in He2 molecule. This is helium, He2 molecule. According to molecular orbital, such type of bonding as well as anti-bonding molecular orbitals are formed during the overlapping of two atomic orbitals of a helium atom. Then a bond order. The bond order is equal to the number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2. Here, 2 electrons are present in bonding, 2 electrons are present in anti-bonding. Yes, 2 minus 2. The bond order is equal to 0. Means a formation of, that is, no bond will be present in two helium atoms. That is, a formation of He2 molecule is not possible. Okay, because the bond order is equal to 0. Then a magnetic property. As this helium molecule has no unpaired electrons, or as all electrons are paired, this is a diamagnetic in nature. That is, such molecules are repeated in applied magnetic. Okay. Here, our lesson, a chemical bonding, is over or complete. Okay. Now we will stop here. Thank you.